Hello everyone, I am Harshita and today I am going to explain you about the topic configuring payables workflow notification. You can configure payables workflow notification for both email and in-app notification to meet your business needs and requirement. Like what happens, for example, approver for payable invoice approval receive a standard workflow notification when the invoice requires their approval. So in the standard workflow, it already has a list of attributes shown in a specific format. It follows a specific format. But if you want or if you have your own requirements regarding what information is in the notification you need and the format you want to display, you can configure the same in the application. You don't have to follow a standard workflow, right? Now, this is the table listing various payables workflow notification. Notifications are like invoice approval, whole resolution, payment approval, invoice account coding. So in this notification, invoice approval, notification is sent for approving invoice. In the same manner, under hold resolution, notifications are sent for resolving invoice hold. For payment approval, notification sent for payment approval of invoices. And in invoice account coding, notifications are sent for account coding of invoices. Right. So these are the notifications which are sent, and it can be sent by an email or using an in-app notification. Right. So how all this configuration take place in the application? Just log in. We will log into the application and see it how it is done there. Now, after logging to the application, then navigating to the path from setup and maintenance. Then from task list, go to manage implementation project and then search and select your project in which you are working. And after selecting the project under a taskbar, give a task as manage task configurations for financial. When you select this task and go to task, then this BPM work list will get open. This is business process management work list. So this will get open and in this task to be configured, search for the task finance related workflow. And for that, just give star capital FIN and search for the same. So here all the tasks will related to finance will get appear. So first we will go to finance AP invoice approval. Just select this under notification task status. Here you can give the status to your task as assign, complete, error, expire, whatever you want to give from here as a status to your task. Then recipient is a person to whom this task status is going to be notified here, right? You can give here assignee, initiator, approver, owner as per your requirement to whom you want to give that notification, right? Then under notification header, you can write a information regarding the notification that when this notification will go to the recipient, what information should it contain here? You can just give here notification message. Then you can, if you want, you can also enable a reminder here and give the frequency, hours, minute, initiating action that is before expiration or after assignment, whatever you want to give, right? Now, when you will expand this more option, you can see that it is giving email from, you can give a display name if you want to give right here. Then there are many other options available. You can just make this options enable or disable according to your business requirement, whatever you want, like make notification secure, make notification actionable, send task attachment with email notification. Like when the notification is going through email, you want a task attachment should also be there. So you can enable the same option here. Then group notification configuration. Here are option available like send individual email or send individual email with separate tasks, send one email containing all email addresses. So you can set various options here according to your requirement, right? So this was about the invoice approval. In the same manner, you can go to hold approval. right? There also the same notification options are available for hold approval, payment approval, invoice account coding. You can set notification options here in the same manner as we have discussed about the invoice approval. So this was all about it, that how can we configure the payable workflow, right? So let me show you this hold approval also. See here, same is coming: task status, recipient notification, header, reminder, everything. You just need to go to the option and enable and disable the same according to your business need, right? So this was all about the topic. Thank you.